Hello and welcome to my cooking channel. Yeah, is a foodie. Today I'm going to be making one of Ghana's favorite soup, which is palm nut soup. Let's get cooking. For my ingredients, I have some onion, tomatoes, pepper, ginger, garlic, some tomato paste, beef bouillon, all-purpose seasoning, salt, and for my protein I'm going to be using goat meat and some dried fish. Oh, and let's not forget the main ingredients, which is the palm nut paste. Next, I'm going to be blending my onion, ginger, and garlic. Now you add your washed meat to the pot. And then you pour in your onion, ginger, garlic mix. Also, I love to cook my tomatoes and pepper together with my meat. Next, we're going to add our seasoning, that is the all-purpose seasoning. And then next, I'm going to use my beef bouillon. And then I'm going to add salt to taste. Mind you, use your discretion whenever you're using salt. I don't like too much salt in my soup, so I'm very careful with how much I put in. Now you cover your meat and leave it to boil. While my meat is cooking, I'm going to soak this dried fish in hot water to take all the dirt out. For my palm nut paste, I am going to be diluting it with hot water. This is how I love to cook my palm nut soup. You can also put it directly into your pot, but I choose to do it this way because I don't like seeing the dark parts of the palm kernel in my soup. Make sure to mix it well. And then you leave it to settle. At this stage of the cooking, our tomatoes and pepper have softened up, so we're just going to take it out into the blender to blend. Cover your pot and let the tomato paste cook. Now you pour in your tomato and pepper mix into your meat. Make sure to rinse out your blender and pour in the water into the tomato and pepper mix. This is just to get all the juice out of it. As the meat is boiling, don't forget to add your dry fish at this stage to your soup. After that, you add your palm nut mixture into the soup. You see what I was talking about? Those black parts, I don't want to see in my soup. There you go, our palm nut soup is ready. Whenever you see the oil on top of your soup, know that your soup is ready.